Hey everyone, welcome to this little unboxing video, I guess. First unboxing video I've ever done. That's quite exciting. So, I'm not going to do much talking. I've been sent a box of, crap is what it's been pretty much deemed as. I'm not being rude. That's exactly what the person who sent it to me has said. Essentially, a friend of mine who collects Lego, buys a lot of second-hand Lego, and with second-hand Lego comes a lot of weird bits and bobs in each box. So he's contacted me and said, would I like them? And I said, yes, send them my way. So I know what's in it. It's a box of crap, but I don't actually know exactly what's in it. So let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, here we go. Oh dear, this could be, I don't know, this could be clone bricks, I guess. Kobe or Mega Blocks or something like that. I mean, us Lego collectors, not so much myself now, I'm kind of not into that anymore. Well, I'm into it. I get the odd thing. No, I've just rolled off the table. That wasn't very good, hang on. But we don't use clone bricks. Well, I do. I use them for model making, which is exactly why this guy's sent me these. It's Ian. Ian, if you're out there and you're watching, thank you very much, sir. I have no idea what's in here. Oh, God. He's packed it well. Christ. Here we go. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. What a shocking box of shit. Wow. This is all stuff that comes out of like Lego boxes he buys. Oh my God. Look at some kind of arm. Oh my Christ. What's this? Look at this thing. Jesus. Yeah, I knew there'd be some clone bricks in here. Look at that. Oh, hello, missus. Oh my God, I'm just going to tip it out. Shall I tip it out, guys? Yeah, let's tip it out. I'll be here all day otherwise. Let's move the knife, I think. Cut myself to ribbons. I thought there'd be some clone bricks in here, but oh my God. I mean, this box is heaving. Oh my God. Just the weirdest box of crudulent I've ever seen. Oh my. Oh my. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. This is a joy. And this is apparently, let me just move this over. Apparently, this is just box one of crap he sent me. This is great. Look at this. It's weird. This is all clone stuff. This would be good for spaceships, man. You know, oh, that even opens. Nice. You know, there's loads of good conversion potential in here. I mean, oh, dearie. Well, you know, this sort of, oh, God. You know, there's some good potential bits in there, like cogs and something from a Skylander, possibly. I don't know. But oh my! Anyone remember these? Look at that! There's a little moustache. It's a cool missile. Now, some of these bits you're gonna. I actually collect. Oh my word! Look, it's an old plastic Chaos Marine. How awesome is that? Oh dear! But some of these things are going to be great conversion potential, and I might actually see if I can do a video where some old Daleks. Here, look, some of the Lego knockoff Dalek clone brand things. I could do something with them. Oh man, I've got to try and build something out of this stuff, haven't I? It's like, ooh, no, that's a jolly good. That is useful for something I've got coming up on a build that'll be. You'll hear about that very soon. But look at this. If anyone recognises any of this stuff, put it in the comments below, because I haven't got. But some of this stuff has got some great potential. Really good. I mean, a lot of it is shit, but you know, there's some good stuff here. I mean, this missiles. Oh, come on, another one of them. I also collect toys and customise toys, so that's very handy for that. What's this? What does that say? Command Centre. Checkpoint. Over there. Oh, dear me. But, you know, look. All this stuff, this sort of stuff, it's all potential. potential. I don't think that's a proper phrase. But my God, what a, these bits, these columns. I think these are connects, right? Am I right, boys and girls? Let me know. Connects? I think so. I think there's connects. That's definitely Minecraft. I can spot that a mile off. My kids have got stuff like this. Well, they had stuff like this. Some kind of weird shield. Just, these, round techie pieces are great. I mean, I'll have some fun with these. Oh my. Some kind of wing. I wish I had another one of them, but wow. This is box 1. I can't wait for box 2. That looks like part of a sonic screwdriver. Possibly? I don't know. Possibly. Some kind of little dinosaur. Oh, kind of little rubbery dinosaur. That's handy. That's handy. A very handy barrel. More Minecraft thing, like a big Minecraft sword thing. If anyone sees anything in this, if you're a toy collector or you've got a toy that's missing a part and you've just seen that part, drop me a link, drop me a message, man. Just let me know how you can have it. I'll send it on to you. I'll happily share some of this crap off. Yeah, so thanks again, Ian. This is a wondrous... Who? A wondrous collection of shit. A bit of a broken compass. What is this? Craziness. It's just, oh my God. Just the worst hideousness. Oh dear. Anyway, guys, look, that's one of those things that goes in people's mouths. Oh, I'm not sure about that. That's a Minecraft thing, isn't it? Is that a Minecraft thing? Yeah, that's a Slender Man. I don't know, Slender Man. I don't know, something like that. Definitely Minecraft. That's definitely Minecraft. That's definitely Minecraft. Oh dear. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun going through this and sorting them out into bits and bobs. Yeah, thanks, Ian. Brilliant. If this is box 1, I can't wait for box 2, man. It's going to be awesome. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this short but ridiculous video. If you want to see more stuff like this, and why would you crazy people, please feel free to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. That really helps out the channel. We're creeping close up to 350. Get to 350 or even 400 would be phenomenal. If you've got a box of crap like this that you want to send me, drop me a bell. I'll let you have my... that's Action Man. Might have to give that to someone. Drop me a line. I'll sort you out. We'll sort it out. Please feel free to send me your box of mank. I'm sure I'll do something with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.